Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn Online. So today we are going to talk about chapter number 3 from the book Ide 1. So for your convenience I have made changes in this page. The left part is French words and the right part is English word. These are the vocabulary that is a bit difficult, so it would be easier for you to see the meaning of the word. So, dans la classe. Dans means in, la is the, class is class. Dans la classe is in the class. Dans la classe de Madame Robert. In the class of Madame Robert. Or in other words, you can say in Miss Roberts' class. So first, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Un tableau blanc, a whiteboard. Une carte de France, a French map or a map of French. Un ordinateur noir, a black computer. Une table marron, a brown table. Un dictionnaire, a dictionary. Des dossiers verts et rouges, some files or folders green and red. Une poubelle, a dustbin. Un élève, a student. Un taille crayon vert, a green sharpener. Une agrafeuse rouge, a pink stapler. Des ciseaux orange, orange scissors. Une chaise blue, a blue chair. Un souligne jaune, a yellow highlighter. Une trousse rectangulaire, a rectangular pencil box. Des fauteuils, some sketch pens. So these are some stationary objects. Next we have dans le cartable, in the school bag. C'est la rentrée scolaire. C'est is this is, la is the, rentrée scolaire back to school. This is back to school. Dans le cartable, in the school bag. C'est la rentrée scolaire. This is return to school. Dans le cartable, in the school bag, il y a, there is, de la fourniture scolaire. There are stationary objects. Il y a des livres. There are some books, des stylos, some pens, et des méli-mélos, and some puzzles. Il y a des crayons. There are some pencils, une gomme, an eraser, et une pomme, and an apple. Il y a des cahiers. There are some notebooks, des feuilles, some sheets, et un portefeuille, and a wallet. Il y a une règle. There is a scale, une calculette, a calculator, et des lunettes, and specs. So next is communiquer en classe. Communicate in class. These are some of the phrases that you can use in your classroom. Entrer is to enter. Ouvrez votre livre, open your book. Répétez, s'il vous plaît, please repeat. Fermez votre livre, close your book. Comment ça s'écrit? How it is written. Comment ça se prononce? How it is pronounced. Quelle page? Which page? Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Levez la main. Raise your hand. Parlez plus fort. Speak loudly. So next is grammar part. If you want to learn the indefinite articles, pluriel des noms, and these numbers, so I have made a separate video for that. The link is in the description box. You can go and watch that video. So next we have colors. Colors name we have already discussed in the part of the chapter. Here there are color names. You can learn the color name from here. Next is shapes. A chocolat carré, a chocolate square, a square chocolate. Une tarte carré, a toast square. Un gâteau rond, a round cake. Une pizza rond, a round pizza. Un fromage rectangulaire, a rectangular cheese. Une pâte rectangulaire, a rectangular pasta. Un sandwich triangulaire, a triangular sandwich. Une pastillerie triangulaire, a pastry triangular. So for this square shape, you need to put an extra E if you convert it into feminine. If this noun is feminine, so you have to use this with double E. Same here. If you are using this shape round, there is an extra in E in feminine form. So you have to pay attention the article, the noun, and the shape. Next is nous achetons un S pour former le pluriel des formes. S is added to form the plural of shape. So un chocolat carré, des chocolats carrés. Means you have to change the article, the noun, and the shape also. Un gâteau rond, des gâteaux ronds. So whole sentence you have to change according to article. Next is word and meaning. And after that we have exercise. Now we have this exercise. Relay a fait des phrases. Match and make sentences. What you have to do is you have to frame a sentence according to the article and according to the noun. So the first has been done for you. The answer is say a portfolio. Next is ce sont. As you already know that ce sont, the meaning of ce sont is these are or those are. Means it is a plural. So you have to choose plural article with this. So we will choose they. And the next you will choose plural noun. S is at the end means it is plural noun. So ce sont des lunettes. These are the specs. As specs is always in plural in English and in French also. So let's see the next. Next we have c'est. C'est une. So we have to choose a feminine because we have chosen une. Agrifers. This is a stapler. Next is sont. So they. Now what is plural? Here plural is five. These are some sheets. Last is say. What is left? A cahier. So this is the answer for this activity. You can note it down. Next we have this Melo the Mo word puzzle. Find the objects of the classroom and write in the correct column. So what you have to do is you have to choose some words of the classroom, and masculine you have to write in a and feminine you have to write in une. So the first is that we are going to choose is chaise, chaise is chair. Next is Table. Table is table. Next is poubelle, dustbin. Next is dossier, files or folders. And next is ordinateur, computer. And last is dictionnaire, dictionary. So these are the words that we have to write according to the adjective. So first we are going to write dictionnaire. Second is masculine form, ordinateur. Next is dossier. These are masculine words. And next we are going to write feminine. The first is table. Next is table and chair, chaise. So these are masculine words and these are feminine words. What we have to do in the next activity? Compte et complete. Count and complete. So you have to count white boxes from this cube. How many white boxes are here? And you have to write down it in the French counting. So first has been done for you. Il y a 5 carrés blancs. There are 5 squares white. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here is the answer. Il y a 5 carrés blancs. Il y a 5 carrés verts. Il y a 4 carrés jaunes. Jaune is yellow. Il y a 4 carrés bleus. Il y a 3 carrés orange. Il y a 6 carrés rouges. You can write it down in your notebook. Complétez avec une dé et des couleurs. Ensuite, relay avec la marge. So this is the question where you have to complete with une and day and colors and match with the images. So let's see the answers of this. So this is the answer. C'est un livre vert et bleu. This is a book, green and blue. Ce sont des crayons verts. These are some green pencils. C'est un stylo violet. This is a purple pen. C'est une règle blanche grise. This is a scale. You can say it white or gray. Ce sont des gommes rouges, jaunes et verts. These are some erasers, red, yellow, and green. So this activity you have to listen and you have to do it. And this activity also number 4 and number 6. So you have to listen it and do it. You must have CD. You can listen and do. Answers are there. You can see the answers from here. Next, we have put the sentences in plural. This is a singular sentence. You have to convert it into plural. So let's see the answers of this. So here are the answers. C'est un fauteuil rouge. Ce sont des fauteuils rouges. C'est un gâteau rond. Ce sont des gâteaux ronds. C'est un journal. Ce sont des journaux. C'est un cartable vert. Ce sont des cartables verts. C'est un talet crayon rouge. Ce sont des talets crayons rouges. So you have to convert it. You have to pay attention. If it is ce sont, then you will use they, and you have to convert it with s, and you have to convert the name of the colors also. They with ce sont, they with ce sont always. Remember, when you're using ce sont, you will have to choose they. And next is the question where you have to put the accent. So you can put accent aigu or accent grave. So this is the answer. Complete on 3. Genève, collège, lia, système, matériel. So this is the next question. In this, you have to match it with the right answer. Le, lise, de, quinze, à, 10, 8 ans, l'école primaire, de 6 à 11 ans, le collège de 11 à 15 ans, l'école maternelle de 2 à 6 ans. So these are the answers. So this is it. This was chapter number 3 from the book Ide 1. If you want to watch more videos on this book, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want to know about a particular chapter, just let me know. I will make a separate video of that and upload it as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.